Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to increase font size on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. From here you have to scroll down to display. You have to click on the display. Okay, after that again you have to scroll down to font size. Here is the font size, so you have to click on the font size. Then if you want to increase, this is the big letter and this one is the small letter. So if you scroll onto small letter, the font size will be decreased. Okay, and if you scroll onto up, this one largest one, it will be increased. Okay, see, it has been large now, right? You can increase it by scrolling on the upside. You can check this one, small a and the big A. Okay, with this you can control this scale of the font size. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.